Bro, what's he making you scratch like this?
Damn, bro. This girl I just knocked just gave me some infections.
Which girl be that?
Is that biggest favor I told you about? Look at that.
This girl? And you still the knock am?
Damn, bro. What am I supposed to do, bro? She got a fat ass.
Not true. She get yansh. But see, I get what I go do for you.
What's that, bro?
This is the merit powder from Asiwaju Herbs. If you take them like this, it go comot all those rubbish infections where that useless girl give you. Oh yeah, take them. Bro, no pick that call. No pick that.
Yeah! Yeah! My baby!
Hi, baby.
How you doing?
I'm also there. Has come on cookie from now.
Okay, man, I'm coming to open the door for you now.
Bro, no open that door for her. Bro, you still let her go open the door for this girl where they give you infection? Bro, be a man and come and sit down here.
Ah! What kind of nonsense is this?
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Bro, I'm gonna be a man.
Papa belongs to your bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum, bum bum.
She got ass.